Hello again. In this video we are going to be installing VMware Player on Windows. If you have Windows 10, the process is exactly the same. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to search for VMware Player. VMware Workstation Player, beautiful. Once the website loads, clicks on download now and it's gonna take you over here. We're using Windows, so we're going to download Windows 64-bit. Let's save the file. Download has completed. Again, that depends on your internet speed, although the installer is not very big. The installation is not different from any other software. Just click on the setup and the installation starts. Okay, let's continue with installation. Let's pause here for a moment. Join the VMware Customer Experience Improvement Program. I normally check that off. This is more for sending errors and reports. I have no concern for that, but if you want to deliver on, that's up to you. Check for products updates on a startup. I like to keep my software updated, so yes, I keep that. Okay, let's click on finish. Now, because I selected to allow enhanced keyboard drivers, the computer is going to ask me to restart. And I'm going to say, yes, I would like to restart my computer now. It's almost done. And we're back in business. Close that. We do not need the web browser anymore. The icon is here on the screen. It's exactly the same icon you see in the school, because that's the software that we use in the school. And we're gonna go now in continue, because we do not have a license and we want to use it for free. And there you go. That's VMware Workstation Player 15. Remind me later. Done. I'll see you in the next video.